So the first exercise, the piriformis stretch, bend that hip to 90 degrees and take that ankle in your opposite hand, rotate the leg as far as you comfortably can, and with the hand on the same side, draw that leg across your body as if you're pulling to your opposite shoulder, and you should feel that pull in your buttock. Try and remember to breathe and relax into the stretch. And the same on the other leg. So for the first gentle sciatic glide, pull that hip up to about 90 degrees or more if you can, and let the ankle relax and point down as you slowly, gently straighten the knee without causing any sharp pain, just till you start to feel it pull. When your knee bends, you can pull your toes up towards you. So relaxed with the ankle when you reach up to the ceiling, and then pull your toes up towards you when you bend that hip and knee at the bottom there. And slightly stronger here with the moderate sciatic glide. Again, pull that hip up towards you, get towards that point where it stretches, and if you can manage, gently pull those toes up and down towards you, pointing away from you, so that you feel a little bit of pull down through the back of the leg without any sharp pain.